Welcome to Barton's Mill in Austin, your gateway to stylish, stress-free student living for an unforgettable uni experience. Choose from cozy studios, spacious non-ensuites, en-suites, or one-bedroom apartments, each offering a private or shared kitchen and bathroom, depending on which you pick. This home features built-in bookshelves, ample closet space, a private balcony, and in-unit stackable laundry facilities, so you can skip trips to the laundromat. The sparkling pool is ideal for a refreshing swim, and the electric clubhouse offers a relaxed setting for fun after a long week at school. Also, complimentary Wi-Fi is available throughout, ensuring uninterrupted connectivity. With dependable on-site maintenance and a 24-hour resident portal where you can pay the rent online too, life here is effortless. Your new home is only a short drive from St. Edward's University and Houston Tillotson University, making campus commutes simple. Buses from 2801 Lamar and 2806 Menchaca, along with the Austin train station and light rail, ensure smooth and easy transit. So, book your spot in Barton's Mill in Austin via amberstudent.com before it's gone.